What's up, fellas? It's mid-July. It's about 1:05 in the afternoon. Today is partly cloudy, mostly sunny skies, and it's about 84 degrees right now. I got a few hours to kill, so I'm gonna go out to a spot that I haven't been to on the Wisconsin River, and I'm gonna see if I can get some smallmouth. All right, I finally made it out to the river. First location I'm at is I'm at a dam. I don't think this is gonna work. I'm just gonna go down to the canoe launch site down here and just kind of check out the bank. Well, as you can see, the water is, it's all right here, I guess. I'm just gonna get things set up here and I'm gonna make a few casts out, give it a go. So one of my setups for today is I'm gonna use my Stratic spinning reel spooled up with 6-pound strand fluorocast. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be tossing out minnow type lures or grubs, and I'm just gonna swim it across. Got a few casts in here, absolutely no fish that's willingly to commit right now, so I'm gonna get out of here. The first place was a bust. Water was just way too fast. It was just right below the dam, and this is the other dam that I'm going to now. This is the second location, as you can see behind me. It's a dam. Gonna walk the bank here a little bit. I'm gonna probably just try out some of the deeper holes down here and hopefully to pull out some smallies. One bite. Can't believe I missed that one. Ah, damn it! Had that one grab the grub. Oh my God! That was another big one I just missed. Alright there, guys. Holy smokes. This was the guy who came up and smashed it a few times and got away with it. Look at that. He took that whole swim bait in. Nice fish. I had a few blow-ups. One with the spook, and then it came and grabbed the grub a few times and shook it off and threw on the swim bait and finally got this guy. Nice smallmouth. There he goes. Even though it might not be catching numbers, but quality is definitely what's important. So that was That's definitely a quality smallie. That smallie that I just caught came off of a 4-inch Kitech minnow here. Basically engulfed the entire thing. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just taking my minnow and my grub and I'm just swimming over all of these boulders. Obviously fishing from the bank, I really don't have a whole lot of room to work with, so there's a lot of boulders in here, and basically what I brought with me was just swimming baits or, you know, the top water that was thrown before. With the lures that I have, basically what I'm doing is I'm just going to cover as much ground as I can. So I'm just going to fan cast across this entire area and hopefully pull some smallies like the one I caught before. Oh, like that one. Oh, got it this time. Walleye. Nice little river walleye. That was a smallie at first. Came up, hit it once. I tried to set in the hook and I totally missed it, and as the bait was dropping back down, I guess that walleye came up and picked it up. I have a really light jig head on, so for the most part it's riding fairly high up in the water column, maybe about 5-6 inches below the surface. There's a lot of boulders in here, so I'm just swimming it across, just tickling the top of these boulders, and then I'll eventually, you know, pick it up or slow it down. But I'm going as slow as I can. There we go. Another one. Another walleye. One thing about these curly tails is that smallies and walleyes love them. You really can't go wrong. Catches everything. I'm just hoping to pull out a trophy walleye out of here. Little guy on the grub. I thought he came and took it. Yep. Little guy. Another walleye, I believe. These walleyes really love this grub. Look at that. It's time to call it quits. I gotta head back home. First location I went to was a complete bust. Water was just too fast there. But the second location that I'm at right now has been a lot more productive. Caught a really nice smallie, some smaller fish, smallmouth, a few walleyes. Definitely loved the grub today. Had a few that came up and hit the spook, but weren't willingly to commit. But definitely the grub was the ticket for today. So if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.